guys, Katie here, and today I don't have any effect on, so this is for the person that wanted me to do that, and I'm using my camera, not my computer camera, so it's gonna be a lot better. And yes, I'm a redhead, doesn't matter. Okay, so a person asked for me to try and burp. What size is your shoe? Or what is your shoe size? I'm gonna do what is your shoe size. What is your shoe size? So that was it. It's actually not that hard. And he asked me to do something really weird, which was show your barefoot on the screen. And my real shoe size is 7 or 6 or 8, between all of those. Here's my barefoot. It's not bad. Ow! I just cracked my leg. Foot. Woo! Now I want to get my socks back on. Okay, let's do a couple more burps. Well, anyways, that will be it for this video. No, it's short, but thanks for watching. Keep on burping. Hit the thumbs up. Hey, I hope you can see me. Bye.